Okay, so let's finish the swimming pool. First up, I'm just going to paint up the inside of the pool. So use our paint bucket tool. I've created a tile called pool tile, which I'll just apply to all these surfaces. Perhaps a little big, but less. So pool tiles are on. Heaps easier if you do this before the water. And then we're just going to create a ceiling. So the ceiling tool, just go to sketch ceiling. You can do this from 3D view, as good as any. We're going to create a rectangle, and before I draw anything, we'll change the height offset. So instead of being at ceiling height for level 1, which is 2.6 meters above the ground, I'm going to make it at minus 200. So it sits just below the ground. So I'm going to start our ceiling, do it as a rectangle. Now what we have is a ceiling which goes across the top of our pool. The reason why I do it 200 is so you get that little bit of a drop in the water level. Water's not normally sitting right at the very top there, like an infinity pool. It's usually a little bit lower, so minus 200 is a good height. So obviously, this ceiling is ceiling coloured on the inside, so we just want to paint that. So again, bring up our modify tool set, paint, and in the extended materials library there is there's 2 different kinds of water. We're going to apply the water to that surface. Now it doesn't look like much at the moment. Obviously there's a very slight shadow line that you see, but when you render this, it comes up really nice. Just for your information, I guess, if you go to manage materials, those 2 waters which are in the extended library, there are some settings you can adjust on it, so you can change the type of water that it is, so it's for a swimming pool or for a ocean or lake or whatever. So I don't think it makes heaps of difference, but you can just change the settings on it through there, which only really make a difference when you render. But here we go.